Hey everyone, so warm 1 cup of milk, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and keep it for 3 minutes for the yeast to be activated. After that, take 3 cups of whole wheat flour, mix it with the yeast, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil and knead the dough. It should be add water for it to be a slightly sticky consistency. Knead it well and then put it in a greased container and keep it for resting for 2 hours, and after that knead the dough after 2 hours and put it in a greased bread pan and let it rest for 30 minutes. After that, put that in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Bake the bread and it's ready. One thing, before putting it in the oven, just brush the top of the bread with milk and then put it in the oven. After that, once it comes out of the oven, just rub a little butter on top of the bread so that the crust is soft. Okay, bye.